Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cook. Subscribers appreciate you. New viewers, subscribe. Today we're going to be doing a continuation on the drinks by making a infused vodka. And we're going to do it for the holiday theme. So we're going to have a red, a green, and a blue. So Christmas and Hanukkah. Let's jump right in. For my infusion, I'm going to use Jolly Rancher candies. And I'm going to use green apple for green, watermelon for the red. You could use cherry as well. And blue raspberry for the blue. In each one of my mason jars, I've already unwrapped 15 Jolly Rancher candies of the correct color. I'm using Grey Goose vodka, but you can use whatever vodka you like, although I will say that you want to make sure you get one that is not a rough vodka to drink if you were just drinking the vodka. You want something that's a little smoother for drinking, because it's basically going to be vodka with a bunch of the candy flavor to it. Because again, we're infusing it. And this is a half pint. And all I do is I fill it just to the rim. Do it for all three. And we're going to let this sit overnight. When we come back, the candy will be all dissolved. And we'll have a really nice taste to our vodka. Back. It's been a little over 24 hours, give or take. But again, I told you can let this sit for a day or more. But you can see that our sour apple, right? This was the green Jolly Rancher, has now turned the vodka green, and it is fully infused now with that sour apple flavor. I've gone ahead and thrown a ribbon on here, and then I've just put this label on here just so if I want to give it as a present, people will know that this is sour apple. This is the watermelon. It's a little bit pink, but it again is fully infused. And then the last one that we did was blue raspberry, and again, all good. If you don't like the red and you're specifically doing a holiday, you can try cherry. You can see that it's a little bit darker. Or strawberry if you can get your hands on them. And then if you just want to do some infused vodka, you can also do grape. So you can see in total I actually have 5 of these half pint. Those are 8-ounce jars. And I've started to kind of get them wrapped up so that we can do a present out of them. You can slap a bow on the top like so and make a present out of it. You can make shots out of them. You can drink them straight. You could mix them into martinis and things like that, Jello shots, or you can substitute them into mixed drinks. Whatever you do, these will keep in the fridge, which is where I would put them for 3 or 4 weeks. Otherwise, you know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Happy holidays. Ring the bell for the alerts, and check back for the next video. Take care. Peace.